After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
So Orange Charger, Tennessee 9, Tom George 856, 9 Tom George 856, 280 eastbound.
Are you sure we have a line down here for 371? Okay, I'm out down here with 31.
Final stop location. We're just over the top of the MLK overpass, eastbound.
329.
Trooper Evans, Arkansas State Police, resume out with you for your speed. Got you at 83 miles per hour when you're coming at me. Have your license, registration, proof of insurance? Sir? Okay. How much marijuana do you have in the vehicle?
I smoked
Do you have any firearms inside the vehicle?
on my baby mama. I seen my little girl.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, sir. You should register me. I'm detained today. Everything will come back in my name.
Sir?
Everything will come back in my name.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Yes, sir. All the shit come back. Now I'm looking for my registration.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn your car off for me. Step back here to my car.
TBI, TBI, TBI.
Activated TBI to vehicle around 283. Wait, units
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
On the ground.
Put your hands behind your back!
Yes, sir. I'm on the ground.
Hey, check the car. Open that door.
On the ground.
I got it.
I'm on the ground.
Hang on. You're good. Here,
I'm on the
sit
ground.
tight. I got it
You better
unlocked.
fucking stay
It's
there.
unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. All right. You got him covered?
Yeah.
All right, cover him. There's a weed he tried to throw.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
Good job. 10-15.
1050.
Clear the net. Next 10-11. Get up.
Yes, sir. I'm in close, decent.
Put your chest on hood.
Yes, sir.
Get up. Go back to my car. Go on the other side. Sit down. Grab the seatbelt with your other hand.
Dang, that's so long. I guess.
Any kind of way you can let the window down, crack a little bit of something. I really can't hardly breathe. You got the door open, if you don't mind.
Scoot over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Fisher. I'm with you.
Portland.
All right, we're blue lighting it. Coming up to 20 eastbound. Stand by. See what it does. All right, we're still rolling. We'll be in pursuit 20 eastbound. 50-1, I copy. What does traffic look like? Traffic medium, speeds right now 71, 16 setting up for a pit. No good, still 20 eastbound, speeds are over 90. Medium traffic. Pit. Pit.
Send it, Jazz, I got it. Send it. Second pit. Stand by, box in. They're throwing guns out. Box them. Watch up, Jazz.
DSP got the dog. DSP got the dog.
Come on now with your hands up.
I got less.
Okay, don't reach for anything. Keep your hands up. Okay?
Hey, responding
Come on.
units.
Come on.
I need y'all to go to that.
Going on this left side.
Shouldering. Get those weapons.
Keep coming up.
Right there.
Turn around. Grab that gun on the left side.